चाहूंगी आपसे एक चीज के बारे में. हम लोगों को हमेशा स्ट्रगल रहते हैं. So I want you to speak about the topic. Tougher the lesson, bigger the blessing.
Okay. Can you repeat the topic, please, ma'am?
Tougher the lesson, bigger the blessing.
So a very good afternoon. It has just started with the good afternoon, my speech. So to all the juries and all the members who are here, I would just like to start my session by saying two great lines of the great writer Charles Dickens. He says that the darkest time of the night is just before the dawn. The darkest time of the night is just before the dawn. This statement is very clearly telling you that when it gets darker and darker and you are questioning your life, that oh my god, I am doing all my efforts and then too things are worsening down. What is happening? There will come a moment when you will feel like I should give up now and I should think about some other options in my life. That will be the time when you will have to remind yourself that you are just 2 to 3 feet away from your victory. And that is the moment when that last fuel which has left inside your body and your mind will fire up. So with these powerful lessons of my life which I have learned, I would just like to tell from my own personal example that I have just passed out my masters, and in my past life I had been cured with a problem in which I was being vitamin deficient, and that vitamin deficiency came as a pain to me because I wanted to go for professional football career. I play football a lot since last 14 years, but with that pain I started thinking about my career choices. But in the same time I started my own football club in my bachelor's college, and the name of that club right now is Football Club Kite. And like author Sherry told that when you want to start something of your own, there will be problems in life, and they came. I struggled. But today it's been more than 6 years and we have a family of more than 350 football players in our club. So that is my own example of life to tell you all that when the struggle is high, you will always get a better victory which you have expected. So keep on moving, keep on working as hard as possible. And my speech is going to kind of be a sum up of all the speakers who have speak till now, because they have speak about 2 or 3 most of the favorite examples of my life. And the first word is mindset. See, the topic which ma'am gave, it is all telling you about what is your mindset about the struggle which you are facing in your life. Two kinds of people of the same father, two sons of same father who have got same upbringing, and if same kind of struggles come in front of them, they both react differently. What is that main example which is causing them to react differently? It is their mindset. The word mindset should be segregated to make you understand that this word mind and this word set is all which is causing you to react differently in struggles. Now in front of your screen right now, look at me. I have a question to ask all of you, all the juries and my participants. From the small guy from Dehradun to the professor in this, robotics professor in this list, sir, and that small kid, I have one question. Till today, in your education which you have got, have you ever been told about mind? Have you ever been told how your mind works? I know all your answers. We have been taught about the parts of a brain, but how our mind functions, no one has ever taught us. Why? Isn't that the only thing which helps us in everything in our life? But our education system is lacking this. It is superb in our country, but I would like to also take out one loophole, and that is we are never told about the main thing which we use for everything in our life, and that is mind. This mind is only going to help us to pass through the struggles. What was that mindset of Albert Einstein? What was that mindset of Thomas Alva Edison? You all know, 1000 experiments he did. 1000 experiments, 1000 failures. But then too, we have a light bulb inside my room and your room. We have more advanced features of those light bulbs today. But who gave those inception, that genesis of that light in our houses? Thomas Alva Edison. And I'm sure each one of you inside has got a lot of struggles and standing in front, eager to share your personal experiences. That is all because that victory which you got after struggling, it gave you a lesson. You kept on asking, why is this happening to me? But then you asked, what is this trying to teach me? And that was the game changer. It changed your game forever. Right? And that superb guy over here, author Sherry, I share his passion. I felt that. Because he is trying to bring a public speaker. See, public speaking is not a struggle. Public speaking is the best booster which you can give to yourself. No matter you're coming from any part of the background, any part of the society. If you are a good public speaker or a good speaker, you will always feel happy to express yourself from your heart. So all the struggles which our cricketers, our footballers, our country and each one of us are featuring right now, because of this mindset called Corona and COVID-19, I would just like to tell all of you that this is a struggle which we all are facing all together and we will get out of it